I don't know about you guys, but I have a huge collection of t-shirts in my closet, and a lot of them I don't necessarily wear all the time. I discovered you can make bags out of t-shirts. So this could be a good project to try out if you have a bunch of shirts you don't wear anymore. The items you'll need for this tutorial are old t-shirts. Thumbs up if you remember Double Dare. I know it hasn't been on air in a while, but it was a good show. Recommend looking it up if you can. And the only other thing you need is cutting utensils. I used this for the first bag I made. Didn't work out too well, probably because it's not fabric scissors, it's not very sharp, so I was struggling a lot. So I'm gonna try this little rotary cutter to see if that makes any difference with the whole process. So let's get right onto it. And there you have it, your very own upcycled t-shirt bag without even sewing. I think that's a win in my book. I'm not necessarily the best at sewing, so this is definitely something I'll use a lot in the future. And plus, it'll be good if you don't necessarily have any reusable bags on hand, or you don't really want to buy another reusable bag. So definitely keep this in mind. So feel free to tag us on our Instagram, OzPureEds, to show us any bags you've made, and even any cooking videos you made. We got a few on our channel right now that you can watch. I'm not sure how YouTube works with the linkage, but it should be around here somewhere in this video, so go check it out. I'll see you later. Bye.